So we are out here at Saguaro National Park and we're looking at these petroglyphs, and I have to say it is absolutely incredible that the people of this era understood the concepts of wheels and motion and probably gears and sprockets and computer systems, and the only way they could have done this is if they were visited by extraterrestrials, because there is no way ancient peoples were intelligent enough to, you know, understand things, and they got lost to time and they just got rediscovered again. So, you know, it's always not the aliens that did it. How dare you insult my theories over here, you peasant.
So, we lost a hubcap, so Cal has sent me to go get it. And found it. This thing really flung off on the left side of the road.
So this is another episode of Calvin saw a sign and made the car go yeet off the road, and now we're going to attempt to not fall off a big rock.
I'm not sure how slippery these are. So
It's sandstone, so it should give you some decent grip. If you want, if you come over here, there's a nice crack you can climb up.
I'm almost there.
Oh boy. You see, guys, this is ooh. Oh, this is cool. See, guys, that's the kind of crap that I have to put up with on road trips with Danielle, so y'all can knock it off with shipping the two of us. Oh. Dude, man. This is crazy. About ready to redeem myself being a sissy jingle master out in Fossil Falls, so I'm gonna take the purgatory route. At least in theory. Oh, there's actually a nice foothold in here. This isn't bad. What am I doing with my life?
Having an adventure and living in it.
Yeah. Holy wow. Okay, I'm getting a little spooked up here. I'm gonna sit down. So here's the side of things that you don't see. After we got up here and filmed all that good footage, we now have to make our way down through a couple of what would be called pitches. The first one being a tight crevasse, which I will film closer. Trust me, people, this is the stuff we have to do, and I'm not just saying this for dramatic effect. This definitely is one of those only attempt something like this if you have some experience in rock climbing and things like that, which I do, and Danielle's kind of gotten a crash course in as well. So to her credit, she's been doing actually really good. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, I got a good strong hold right here. Alright. Yeah. Hello there.
You've emerged from the darkness. Come a little farther out. There. Now your head's in the light. Good job.
Be in the light. Because Calvin's an idiot and he forgot sunglasses, he's using the red saucer in its place. Well, it's too cool to ask Danielle for her. So, in other news, I'm gonna go sliding down a hill for the very first time out here in Cocaine Dunes, White Sands National Park. Hope I don't die. See you out the bottom one way or another.
Have fun.
How am I supposed to use this dumb thing?
You're supposed to sit on it. And they think you're supposed to have your legs straight out. It's like the little tube things we used in the snow.
Yeah, that's working really good.
There you go. You did it.
Am I alive?
I don't know, are you?
Maybe.
Did you survive?
Oh, come on. It sucks.
I know. And I didn't eat it this time. Becca. Your turn.
I got my hiking poles, and I got my water shoes on, and I got my pants rolled up. Let's go. I love nature.
Hey, I'm running away with my gear.
There's a glimpse.
I am going to stab you with these.
Okay, everybody, there's a glimpse into what traveling with the two of us really is like half the time off camera. Not all
Give
the
me
time.
that. Look at this dude's outfit right now. The epitome of coolness and grace right here. Stop it. You're making it worse.
That's the whole point. There's a candid look at what traveling with the two of us is like sometimes. It's how we keep sane, I promise. Okay, so we've switched from our regular shoes, which we have somehow stuffed into my poor backpack, and we've switched to our wire shoes that we picked up along with hiking poles for Danielle the other day out at Sportsman's Warehouse in Reading.
And those of you who are going to criticize that my poles are not the right height, sorry, it's my first time using them. I'm breaking them in.
You know what? If it looks right, it is right.
Okay, I understand now why people love these things so much. They actually do help a lot.
I'll bet. All I can say is this is just like gnarly.
Oh yeah, I'm so busy focusing on my equipment. I'm not even looking at it.
Hi everyone, my name is Danielle, and this is the story behind how I came up with the Honey Stinger Waffle S'more. So I was out camping at this place called Joshua Tree with this idiot named Calvin, and he was so stupid, he brought along these things called Smashmallows, and he also brought along these things called Honey Stinger Waffles, which I swear are just like circular discs of cocaine that people buy legally. They are so good. So what I've learned to do is to toast my marshmallow over the extra smoky fire because Calvin's an idiot and he can't build a fire to save his life. It's totally not Krabby Fire Pit design, everyone. So once I get my marshmallow all nice and toasty and smoky and I've annoyed all the neighbors, oh man, chocolate isn't even melted yet. I mean, you gotta get at least the chocolate melted.
It looks pretty melted to me.
No, Calvin, it's not melted yet. So once you make this thing into a cube of just utter napalm, oh yeah, that's you see that toasty goodness on there? That's how you know it's ready. So then we take this thing over to our little our little disc of cocaine, and then we look at that. We kind of just squeeze that in there, and then we pull it out, and there we have it. The Honey Stinger Waffle S'more, according to Calvin, the origin story.
How is it?
Gosh, that thing is good.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just gonna walk off into the sunset like some cool person.
The sunset's that way.
I don't care.
You're walking into the woods.